Hi, Chef J here. Today I'll be preparing vegetarian miso udon noodle soup, a full-flavored bowl that includes rich miso paste and chewy udon noodles. You will need 2 packs of udon noodles, 1/2 of shimeji mushrooms, 1 leaf of napa cabbage, 1 scallion, 1/2 a carrot, 1 piece of aburage, 2 eggs. For the miso noodle soup, 3 1/4 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of kombu dashi powder, 3 tablespoons of miso paste, 1 tablespoon of mirin, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Step 1. Remove the stems from the shimeji mushrooms and separate them. Cut the napa cabbage, carrot, scallion, and aburage into bite-sized pieces. Step 2. Add water and kombu dashi powder to a large pot and bring it to a boil over medium heat. Step 3. Add miso paste, mirin, and soy sauce and blend them well. Step 4. Add the previously cut ingredients into the soup. Cover the pot with a lid and let them simmer for a few minutes over low heat. Step 5. While the ingredients are simmering, add the udon noodles to the separate pot of boiling water and cook them for about 2 minutes. Step 6. Transfer the cooked udon noodles to the soup and let them simmer for a few more minutes to soak up the flavors. Step 7. Carefully crack an egg into the pot. Then cover it with a lid and let the egg cook for a couple of minutes until it's done to your liking. I hope you enjoyed this savory miso udon noodle soup. Also, sign up for my weekly newsletter and receive a free vegetarian recipe ebook. Go to chefjacooks.com/en/newsletter. Thanks for watching and please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.